You want ear?
Okay. Yeah, me I listen.
I'm on TikTok a while ago, man. Tikki, I beg. So, anyways, but okay, I'm in Mexico, blah, 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 whatever. Somebody, them ask them come from, say, Salt Spring. I'm gonna be able to come.
What?
Somebody write in the comment under
Jesus Christ. So what is not have my name mixed up in a what the fuck?
Well, I know Simone and Tikki, wait now. Tikki, somebody mute Tikki, mute Tikki. Diamond, I want you to hear your own voice.
Yeah, no problem.
I'm on TikTok a while ago, man. Tikki.
Yeah, me send him the voice note. There says somebody in my inbox screenshot.
Them okay, come from say Salt Spring. I'm gonna be able to come from. Somebody write in the comment under fake page say I'm gonna come from Salt Spring, and the only somebody I know Salt Spring is Brit. That is so coincidental because nobody don't know about you. So, I just want that.
Jesus Christ.
Okay,
so I want to get me in a body.
Shay, me can talk?
Let me hear what you say, because you can't come back from this. What you say?
Alright then, honey. The person when I'm Brit is a friend of mine. So I was saying that one day for Brit, I use fake page because the person said the only somebody I know from Salt Spring is Brit.
Yeah, but we not listen to Diamond. We not come listen to Diamond. You send a voice note and you stop behave like you want to take with the idiot. You send a voice note and you said me dep on TikTok and me act like say me dey in Mexico and me and Tikki dep on live and you beg and you say you come from Salt Spring and somebody say whatever. Want your girl?
Hold on there. Play the voice note the way you say you have.
I want the blood. So you don't know you want a voice note?
Diamond, you really do me this. Yes, you say me not have nothing, Diamond. I'm $100, Diamond. Me send me $100 call gear this man.
Me not understand things. So when I say me tell lies, say me there Mexico.
Girl, is you in the voice note right there, so girl.
Me to blood clot. How when me I get money from I send people now, Jesus.
Shay, send me a number. Send me a number. Make me screenshot the Western Union receipt and send it. It's in Mexico. Me put it. Me go screenshot it and send it to
send
you.
me the money this morning. No, say Mexico me there.
Me no want Tikki beg me send
hold on. Girl, you really are piss me the fuck off now because me and you know say you're not there no Mexico. See
where am I?
Hold on. See your WhatsApp status here. Isn't this you and your isn't this your kids? Okay.
Yes.
Today's your daughter's birthday, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so why you do all of this?
Jesus Christ,
what you do all of this for?
Shay, me send only
nobody do call me.
Send your them. Me send only like everything me can't take it drama. Oh God damn man, you say me not have no money.
That picture you in a man at Nino. One tear girl.
Which man at Shay? Which man at that Shay? Shay, you don't know Manhattan Shay. That's not Manhattan Shay.
Diamond, you are not in Mexico. Stop.
Shay, may I ask you one question? Just one question. If I can prove to you that I'm in Mexico right now, what you gonna say? Tell me.
All right. You live from America, reach a Mexico. Where you do a Mexico?
So you tell me, say me the America, I left out America, come to Mexico.
I want the blood clot. You want me play your voice? All right, me gonna make you hear your voice again. Come. We're gonna make you hear yourself. Tikki, wait. Wait, Tikki. Who this?
Yes, someone text you. I'm on TikTok a while ago, man. Tikki, I beg. So anyways, okay, I'm in Mexico, blah, 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 whatever. Somebody, them ask them come from, say Salt Spring. I'm gonna be able to come from. Somebody write in the comment under fake page say I'm gonna come from Salt Spring, and the only somebody I know Salt Spring is Brit. That is so coincidental because nobody don't know about you. So I just wonder.
All right, so I know you that.
Oh, no, mute my mic. Hold on, Shay. Hold on, Shay. You see that person there when me send the message to? Is a girl when me call my sister named Brittany from Salt Spring. I have the message in my phone. Me no need for lie to no, sorry. Me don't need for lie to no. Brittany me send the message. And Brittany send it come get uno. Me not lie to no, brother. Shay, me can show you. Me can send you my number. You text me for
Shay, me
WhatsApp.
can say something
Send you
real
my
quick. I don't want to cut off. Me say something. Tikki, you see, as long as you live, do not.
I don't know why Tikki pick up this spam head.
No, nobody not thief, you know. All who say people thief, nobody don't thief, you know.
Help Shay, wait the Simone. Me see people help me, some of you sure about other people help someone and me blessing. The Bible said
Yes, Brittany. See the person there. You see the person when named Taliban, and she are my friend. She is Brittany. Brittany, me never know you that do me this, Brittany. And you know the truth, Brittany.
Chevelle,
What
what happened
Brittany,
to
look
me?
how much something you got through,
Chevelle,
Brittany. I mean, never
I'm
yet
involved.
disgrace you,
I'm the
Brittany.
one who send the money. I'm me send the money.
Diamond, you cannot curse Brittany because you state in the voice note said, girl,
Yes, me know. Listen, Shay, listen.
I'm act like somebody in Mexico. Girl, you
Listen
don't
now.
blame people.
Shay, listen to me now. Listen to me now, Shay. Listen.
But Diamond, why would you do that?
Brittany,
Why would you
what
do
kind of
that?
lies you want me to listen to?
The something does listen to me. You see the girl when named Brittany? I take her as my sister. You understand? Brittany do not know which part me there. Me don't tell Brittany my business. Me tell Brittany, say, Brittany, you know, say me reach me there America. Me not afraid to talk.
Me can't
Jesus
bother.
Christ.
Me can't bother. Me can't bother. Me can't bother with
Look how me there, I'm working in a mix up here.
Me can't bother with
Simone
this.
and Simone,
Jesus Christ, me is a respectable person. I don't need nobody money.
So me and my love.
Me say just help me, I help you. What's me have no money, Jojo? I me say, guys, what woman send me?
She called Tikki a baller, Chuka Tikki send me the voice. She send me a number and I send her the something because she send Tikki some voice note a ball and I say them a throw her out of the hotel, I swear to God. And Tikki send them to me. And Tikki send it to me.
Guys, let me talk. Me say one woman send me money and me say so much people can't help me. Me have to show about other people.
Hold on.
And Tikki that send $50, Shay, Tikki that send $50.
Go down.
Tikki that
Never
send.
say personal information.
Yeah, you me, Tikki? Shay, Tikki was gonna send $50 and him say no, send her the 100 because she have the pitney them and she have balls and she get thrown out of the hotel.
Look, did I so?
Why?
Me no need to tell lie to people. Me no lie, Brittany. Me just never tell her my business, Brittany. So all when you go try rise up against me, Brittany, Father God, look higher in the higher and him a look lower, Brittany. Me no need for lie, Brittany. Look, me just never tell her my business. See it there. Me just never tell nobody my business. Me no need to lie to nobody.
Jesus
I don't need
Christ.
to lie to nobody. Look there, when you look and look good. Me no need to lie.
Hey,
I
go
me
and
don't
suck
tell
your
the girl
mother,
my
Shay. Go and
business.
suck
Me not
your
tell
your
Brittany
mother,
my
Shay.
business.
Don't come for Nikki.
Me
Go and
don't tell
suck your
Brittany my
mother.
business. See it there. Look panda, look there so. The picture where Shay put up with me pinny them. I mean I like internet and me can't believe me in this. The picture where you put up a Dominica Republic, colonial zone.
You can't believe me in this, girl. Me can't believe me in this. And if Jesus Christ, me can't make my man know say me in
See
this.
there, me no need for lie, Shay. Look panda, me no need for lie. Me just don't tell Brittany my business. When I have people who wanna don't tell you no business. See it there, me no need for lie to nobody.
What is that?
Me just never tell Brittany my business. Brittany think me reach over, me no make Brittany know my business. Brittany, me never know you that try to do me this, Brittany. God know. If your girl when me and you come from far, Brittany.
So why you blame the girl? Me not understand.
No, because she got write in and send on my voice note and send me the America
No, but
over
why
here.
you blame the girl?
Me don't need to lie. Me no need to lie.
You don't know what you do to me. Me do TikTok. People help me every blood clot. If me get put out, no, me turn on me live and me people them know so me get put out. You gonna make people them feel like I say me a scam. You try to fuck up my career, Diamond. When me take up your business, so me a blood clot help you for. You called me yesterday, even this morning.
Shay, send me a number and I'll send you all the proof.
That well on Tikki, that said 2024. So where they
Yes, me and show on the same over here. Me
So
them me not tell no lie.
I last time that so you can't make us see Mexico.
So I dare some me there.
Yeah, but you can't make us see Mexico. We want to see
Of course, Shay. Look then, Shay. You know, look.
we not see camera on, so we not see Mexico for see how Mexico look.
See
No,
there.
you talk your passport, you say you can't show a piece of Mexico.
Go to them cancel me. Go to door.
You can't show a piece of Mexico. Well, I'm put her on the big box.
Jesus Christ.
Go with piece of Mexico, man.